US versus China, mga piloto, nagyabangan, nagkaupakan, and then everybody, maimbok na yung gera na, dami-damay. So Japan has a mutual defense treaty with America, US. Pagka yung na ano yung Japan, na trigger, imbok rin sa US, tayo, pagka may gera sa US, invoke tayo. That's the problem. That's the predicament that we have right now. When we should have terminated the mutual defense treaty. Pero hindi. Our politicians, our officers, no, officials, defense officials, walang nakitang mali. Okay, fine. Sa totoo lang, one reaction after the other, no? Kaya ganun yung Defense Department natin, sinabing walang mali, gusto nila merong mutual defense.